Hey guys, welcome back to Anarchy Tech stuff. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Private DNS not working. I've noticed for a while, sometimes when I leave the house, I get off Wi-Fi and start using data. It says cannot connect to Private DNS. So I noticed after playing around with it, when I leave the house, I don't have internet. I'm thinking, what's going on here? Like, why is it saying I can't connect to Private DNS? So I have my Private DNS settings to Cloudflare. So right there, and I've noticed notifications saying cannot connect. So I believe that it's got to do with roaming. So if I turn off roaming, that's when my Private DNS settings are not working. I'm not sure if it's because Cloudflare is like a US thing. DNS locations are always somewhere in the US. I think I've had them one time in Europe, but it's mostly US. So that might have something to do with it. So you can see we're now connected still. And if we disconnect, and then we try to connect again to Washington, I think it just says problem loading, or nope, there it goes. Let's turn off Wi-Fi, and disconnect that one. And it's still working, isn't it? Well, I'm not sure if I have to restart my phone or what. This is all unplanned. But, let's see, DNS. Let's turn this off and then on again, maybe. And then turn this off. Oh, cancel. I don't know if the VPN's got anything to do with it, but I like my VPN on when I'm out of the house. And lots of times it's saying I can't connect to the VPN because my mobile data can't connect to the Private DNS. And I think we're going to have a problem here. Yeah, cannot connect. And then when I go and turn on roaming, usually kicks in. Cancel and start. There. So I think it might have something to do if you are trying to run VPN. I think I have just like a problem with the private DNS, maybe 50% of the time if there's no VPN, but then 80% of the time if there was VPN, or almost 100, I guess. And then I just by fluke just figured it out that you have to have roaming on. So maybe my internet or my data is going through the US, but I haven't been getting charged roaming charges, so not sure what's up with that. So yeah, if your private DNS settings are not working, try turning on roaming. Just turn it on and then restart your phone. Should work. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Anarchy Tech. Bye.